You know what I was scared about today? Is that when I moved to St. Louis this summer, I owe the library $17. Up there and I tried to check a book out and they said you can't check it out until you pay $17. You can't just leave town and not pay all your debts. I don't even know where it came from. $4 is like, that makes sense, but $17, I must have stole something. They don't take credit cards or debit cards or whatever, and I just haven't been back. I'm kind of scared that they're gonna yell at me because who owes $17 to a public library? Qualifications. I'm like scared you're gonna push me out of this way. I really don't trust you. I expect us to order when there's like music blaring right in my face. My shoes got all messy. All these car tools, and you still drive me crazy. Medium duty, heavy duty, and light duty. Heavy duty will work.